Listed at $1,650,000 and 4,500 square feet of finished construction.
Welcome to 2811 21st Road South here in Arlington, Virginia.
One-car garage with plenty of driveway, great front and backyards.
We are in a cul-de-sac. There's no more than 10 houses. This is a 2024 new construction, or let's say addition. They kept some of the structure, but the house is gorgeous. So come with me and let's tour the house.
This house has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. A separate dining room. Granite countertops and KitchenAid appliances.
Welcome to your channel, Living in Arlington Today, where we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington.
Maple hardwood floors and 10-foot ceilings on the main level and the top level floors give you a great sense of space.
Let's go to the basement. If you have any questions about real estate or you are ready to start touring the neighborhoods, please do not hesitate. Give us a call. We'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and show you around. So there you have it. This is a brand new construction here in Northern Virginia in Arlington. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every week when we post a new video. Thank you very much for sticking around, and we'll see you next week.